Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you two different ways to be able to recover deleted WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Now, let's just open up WhatsApp first. The first option is to see if WhatsApp has a backup of all those messages to be able to recover them. So let's tap on the U button at the bottom right. And now from here, let's just scroll down and right under privacy, let's tap where it says chats. You'll be able to see midway down again is chat backup within the WhatsApp app. So tap on chat backup and check to see when the latest backup of all your messages were. Essentially, if that backup was after you received or sent a message, but before it was deleted, then you can always restore to this backup and get those messages back. I'll show you how to do that. So if we wanted to restore to that, all we're going to do is press and hold on WhatsApp and we'll hit remove and delete the app. Now, the nice thing is all we need to do is go through the process of reinstalling the app. So let's go to the App Store and we'll just search for WhatsApp on this list. And we'll just download and install a fresh new version of WhatsApp Messenger and then restore all those messages to that. I'll show you how it works. So let's just wait until this downloads and installs, and then we'll be able to recover all of those from the backup. So let's open up WhatsApp. Now let's hit agree and continue and allow. And on here, we're going to enter in your phone number so that you can link up the same phone number on this account. And it should pop up and say that it's restoring from the iCloud. So you can see restore from the iCloud backup that was in my case today. So I can hit the restore button and it will bring back all of those messages from WhatsApp from that backup. So that's the first option, but you do have a second option to be able to get that. The second option is to head into the settings app of your iPhone and then tap at the very top on your name. Now within here, let's see instead of whether there's a WhatsApp backup in the WhatsApp app, let's see if there's an iCloud backup for your entire iPhone that includes WhatsApp. So let's tap on iCloud here and then tap on iCloud backup. Now from here, you'll be able to see at the very bottom, it says all device backups. Let's tap on this iPhone. And there is WhatsApp. It's toggled on, meaning that the most recent backup includes WhatsApp and all of those messages. So I can restore my entire iPhone back to this backup and it will include those WhatsApp messages. To be able to do that, let's get back to the beginning of your settings and we'll just tap on the general option at the bottom. And now from here, all we need to do is scroll to the bottom. And you can see transfer or reset iPhone. That's what we're going to choose. So let's tap on that. And you can see erase all content and settings. Again, we're going to just back everything up or restore it from that backup. So let's tap it on that and we'll go through the process of erasing your iPhone. So hit continue. I would imagine you want to keep this iPhone and keep the eSIM because you still want to make and receive calls. So hit keep eSIM. And then just enter in the passcode for your iPhone. After you go through the process of doing the factory reset on it, just restore to that iCloud backup and it will bring back all of the WhatsApp chats with it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and I'll catch you on the next one.